Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Yari and I'm an esthetician instructor. Today I am taking you inside of the treatment room with me to show you a nano needling treatment. Before we get started, let's go over some important facts about the treatment. What is nano needling, also known as nano infusion? Nano needling is a non-invasive skin treatment designed to rejuvenate the skin and treat common issues like lack of tone, uneven texture, acne, excessive pigmentation, and loss of elasticity. There is no pain, inflammation, bleeding, or any discomfort. Nano needling is safe and only affects the epidermis. It is safe for all skin types and tones. What does it feel like? There is absolutely no numbing necessary. You will feel a light pressure and vibration sensation tapping on the skin. How does it work? It helps boost the absorption and effectiveness of active ingredients. It helps wake up the skin's collagen-producing cells, ingredients that help lighten, tighten, and brighten the skin. Here's a list of the tools and products being used during the demo. I am using the Dr. Pen A6 with Nano cartridge, which are single use. There are many other pens on the market, so be sure that you do your research if you are interested in offering this service. Products that I'm using are all from Glymed. I am using the Mega Purifying Cleanser to do my first cleanse. Then I'll be using the Gentle Facial Wash. Then following with the Daily Lift Serum Part 1 during the Nano session. Then using the Daily Smoothing Peel Part 2 after the Nano session. And topping it with treatment cream and of course sun protection. You can use any brand of your choice. I hope this helps. Okay, so let's get started. Here I am showing you what the Nano pen looks like along with the Nano cartridges. Remember that these are single-use items and should come in single-sealed packaging. There are no needles involved in this treatment. I also use these protective sleeves that fit the pen perfectly. You can find them online. Always remember to click on the description box for additional information. I'm starting off by doing my first cleanse using the Glymed Plus Mega Purifying Cleanser. This is an ultra gentle cleanser that instantly dissolves makeup, oil, and debris on the skin. This product contains the age-defying antioxidant vitamin E to combat dryness and the harmful irritants that lead to premature aging. It is the perfect first cleanse to remove makeup, oil, and debris and to prepare the skin for a second cleanse. Let's get into our second cleanse. We are using the Gentle Facial Wash. This cleanser contains 10% glycolic acid that jumpstarts skin cells, promoting the desquamation process and enhancing the penetration of other treatment products. Glycolic acid helps to combat aging, improve acne, lighten and brighten the skin. This cleanser provides anti-aging and exfoliation benefits, and it is gentle enough to use on sensitive skin. During and after the Nano infusion treatment, I will be using the Glymed Plus Daily Lift Serum Part 1 and the Daily Smoothing Peel Part 2. I will be starting off by using the Daily Lift Serum Part 1. It is a lightweight serum that contains powerful anti-aging blends of hyaluronic acid, collagen, peptides, ceramides, and botanicals to actively lift and firm the skin for a more youthful appearance. If you have performed a traditional microdermabrasion before, nano needling can be performed following a similar pattern of a basket weaving square pattern. I typically start on the forehead and work myself down the face and also down the sides of the neck, avoiding the thyroid area, and ending it on the décolleté. Since there is no needle penetration, the pen setting usually is set between 0 and 0.25. Clients experience a tapping vibration on the skin. Always be sure to check for your client's comfort throughout any treatment you are performing. We are still working with our daily lift serum, and for this nano session, we are working on the sides of the client's neck and décolleté. Alright, so we are now ready to apply our part 2, which is our daily smoothing peel. This product is amazing and it works by helping lift and firm the skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, increases firmness and elasticity. Of course, it is anti-aging and increases hydration. Key ingredients in this product: it contains protease enzyme, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. We are almost at the end of the treatment. I am now applying the treatment cream, which stimulates new collagen and elastin production below the skin surface, which corrects free radical damage and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It contains a blend of 15% glycolic acid and healing botanicals. This product replenishes the skin's hydration for healthy, ageless skin. The treatment cream is a non-greasy, lightweight, and it is very pure. Some key ingredients in this product are, of course, glycolic acid, 15%, grape seed, squalane, aloe vera, avocado, and hyaluronic acid, among others. And of course, we cannot end a treatment without the use of SPF. Be sure to use any sun protection of your choice. And that is pretty much it for this treatment. You can see how amazing her skin looks right after. Let me know in the comments down below if this is a treatment that you plan on offering to your clients, or if this is a treatment that you've had done before and how did you like it. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and please consider subscribing. As always, don't forget to keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.